guys, welcome back to another video. So for today's video, I wanna be open up these McDonald's Crocs. Me and my mom went to McDonald's. We ordered two Happy Meals, but the lady gave us an extra Happy Meal by accident, so we got three. We got three Happy Meals, Crocs. So I asked my mom if she wanted one of this. She was like, no. I'm like, okay, okay. Then I was like, you know what? Since these are the same, my Crocs, me and my siblings can match the Crocs. So these are the same. The number one is like the white ones you could get, but we got the number two Crocs, and I'm gonna open one of this, and then these are my sisters and my brother. So let's open up these Crocs. Okay. Wait. Let me open this and let me be right back. Okay, so I got it open. Got it open. Look at these. Look at this. These are. I know you can hear me, but these are so freaking cute. Before I show you the Crocs, let me show you the stickers. These are the cute stickers you could put on. They have the stars, the lightning ball. They have everything. Look at the bowl. Oh my gosh, these are so freaking cute. These are so cute. Now let's open up the Crocs. I think you can kind of see them. Try to open this with one hand. Look how cute these are. Oh my god, look at the McDonald's one. I told my mom this would be so cute if they collaborated with other cute. I know they did this with the Crocs. They collaborated with Crocs, but they could collaborate with Sanrio, Shrek, anything like that. So they could be like Hello Kitty, Shrek, like what they did with the cup. So let's look at that. Look at that. It's like a keychain. A keychain. Look at that. I sent a picture of these two of these like I can't even speak right now. Oh, my mind is blown me. This is so cute. Like I sent on the group chat of my sister and my brother. Like I sent them a picture of these three Crocs and told them like what happened. Like the lady gave us three like Crocs by accident, like in a box. Boy, this is what it looks like. Oh, I fell. This is so cute. We could decorate these. We could put them in sports mode, just like the real one. Now let's decorate these. Okay, which one do I want to put in? I definitely want to put in the stars. Okay, which side do you want to put stars? One here, and right there, one there. Okay, let me do a time lapse so you can see me put in the Crocs in the gibbets, the sticker gibbets. Oh, today when I was walking home, I was like on TikTok, like looking at people reviewing the Crocs on McDonald's. Then I saw this guy who took out one of his gibbets and cut it in half. He glued one of the gibbets here, and then from the bottom that put the Crocs, he glued it in the bottom and made this as a gibbet. So he put it on on his Crocs. So gibbet Crocs on his Crocs. That is so cute. If I find that video, I'm gonna put it up right here for you guys to watch it.
No way, that looks so cool. I just got the Crocs Happy Meal, and the only bad thing is it came with a keychain, but I'm gonna turn that into a gibbet for my Crocs. So I found like an old gibbet and I ripped it off, and then I have little glue here. So let's go ahead and see if I can somehow connect this. Let's try to put it right there. Try to put it right there, right in the middle. Let's hold it. Let's count to 10. All right, it looks like it worked. Looks like it stuck pretty good. So now this little Croc keychain is gonna be a gibbet. So now let's go connect it to my Croc and hopefully it doesn't fall off. I just don't know why they didn't just make this into a gibbet in the first place. All right, I let it sit for long enough. It looks pretty cool. I honestly feel like it's gonna work. All right, okay. Oh yeah, that looks so cool right there. Look at that. So I have my Croc and then I have a mini Croc on top of that. Wow, that's so cool. Literally, this is literally what it should have been. It should have been a Croc gibbet like this. I think it's so cool. It looks a lot better than a little keychain. Now I'm gonna walk. Hopefully it doesn't fall off. And nope, it's staying on perfectly. They literally look so cool.
So let's do the time lapse.
Boy, everybody told me you could be whatever you wanna be. So I told myself I'ma be a singer, I'ma play on the keys. I can do whatever I want if I just believe, yeah. But then over the years, everybody's telling me to find a career, and I'll be rolling my eyes, thinking I'll be alright with my guitar by my side. But now it's like 55 quid for my phone bill and a tenner for my bus pass too. I wish I could go back and tell myself that life is gonna hit you hard. They say money won't buy you happiness, but being broke really ain't a good time. So all I want is just to get paid. I know I ain't ashamed of trying to make a wage, no. Money, 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 money makes the world go round. I need money, 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 money. Money got me feeling down. They said go and chase your dreams, but never told me that I have to wake up. I need money, 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 money. Somebody tell me where we wrong, 'cause nowadays it's like I gotta pay to breathe. Why are we romanticizing working 9 to 5 and stifling our dreams? They tell me think about the future, yeah, but what if I don't even make it there? I don't wanna be worrying about that, but that's been where my mind. 'Cause now it's like 55 quid for my phone bill and a tenner for my bus pass too. I wish I could go back and tell myself that life is gonna hit you hard. They say money won't buy you happiness, but being broke really ain't a good time. So all I want is just to get paid. I know I ain't ashamed of trying to make a wage, no. Money, 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 money makes the world go round. I need money, 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 money. Money got me feeling down. They said go and chase your dreams, but never told me that I have to wake up. I need money, 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 money. Somebody tell me where we wrong. Yeah, I guess it's just the way things are. We need change, but we chase the pounds and pence, yeah. Whoa, whoa, yeah, yeah, yeah. Somebody tell me. Money, 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 money makes the world go round. I need money, 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 money. Money got me feeling down. They said go and chase your dreams, but never told me that I have to wake up.
decorated my Crocs, I put in all the cute Crocs. Like, so this is all the stickers I put in. I'm gonna save the rest for my arts and crafts stuff I'm gonna be using. And I know that my sister's gonna use the heart, and my brother's gonna be using this little guy to decorate, and the guy with the earphones, and the earphone guy, and this. You see, my brother loves video games. So this is how my Crocs looks. I put the lightning ball. I put in the lightning ball. I put everything in here, even this guy. I love music. Look at that. Look how cute this looks. And I put this one over here. This one, and I put the smiley guy right over here. And this looks so adorable. I want to collect all of them. So this one and this one, these are the same with this one. All of this one, this and the sticker is in the same in here. All of the same, all of the stuff I showed you in here, it's all in here. All the same, these two. So I can't wait for my sister and my brother to see this. And this is the end of this video. I hope you like, comment, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to subscribe to become an official Beautiful Stars. And earlier today, I filmed a video of trying 2 things in one video. So I'm going to edit that one and post that, then edit this one and post this one. So I am back to film videos before I go back to school. Yes. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you have a wonderful day, day and night, whatever you are, and have a good day. And bye-bye.
Audio Jungle.